Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of Latest Update. The topic of today's discussion is Sarnath's Buddha relic at UN Vesak 2025. The Buddha relic from Sarnath, India will be transported to Vietnam for the first time for a special exhibition during the UN Day of Vesak 2025. This historic event is organized by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India and the International Buddhist Confederation IBC. The relic, enshrined at Moolagandha Kuti Vihar in Sarnath, will be ceremonially transported to Vietnam, marking a significant moment in Buddhist cultural diplomacy.
Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 7th May at 8 a.m. and the Hindi medium batch admissions are now open. For more details, contact 8750187501.
Now let's discuss about the UN Vesak Day. Buddha Purnima, also known as Vesak, commemorates the birth of Prince Siddhartha Gautama, who later became known as Gautam Buddha and founded Buddhism. It falls on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Vaishakh, typically in April or May. It is considered a triple blessed day as it marks Buddha's birth, enlightenment and Mahaparinirvan. It has been recognized by the United Nations as the UN Day of Vesak since 1999. Buddha relic from Sarnath. The relic, excavated from Nagarjunkonda in Andhra Pradesh, holds immense historical significance as a relic of Shakyamuni Buddha, venerated since his Mahaparinirvan. Unearthed during excavations led by the Archaeological Survey of India from 1927 to 31, it was gifted to the Mahabodhi Society of India in 1932. Now let's discuss about the International Buddhist Confederation. The International Buddhist Confederation, or the IBC, is a Buddhist umbrella body with its base in New Delhi that serves as a common platform for Buddhists worldwide. It was established under the patronage of the Supreme Buddhist Religious Hierarchy. IBC currently has a membership comprising more than 320 organizations, both monastic and lay, in 39 countries. Now is the time for today's practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. The Buddha relic was excavated by the Archaeological Survey of India. 2. The relic will be transported to Vietnam for the first time. 3. Buddha Purnima marks Buddha's birth and death only. 4. The IBC has its headquarters in New Delhi. Which of the above statements is correct or are correct? The options are A. 1, 2 and 4, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 1, 3 and 4, and D. 2, 3 and 4. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.